Happy birthday, Mother! Love you! Get well soon para maka-zumba, maka-shopping, gala ka na ulit. Okay? Love you. We are always here for you. Huwag ka mag-iisip ng kung ano-ano. Magpagaling lang. Okay? And be good sa mga nag-aalaga sa'yo. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Nay! Happy birthday! And many more years to come. Pagaling ka na ha. Huwag na matigas ang ulo. Okay? Para, masaya dyan sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, Nanay Beth!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sochi,
birthday.
Sochi,
Happy birthday!
Sochi, Sochi. Happy birthday. Where am I looking? Okay, there.
Happy birthday, Nay.
Happy birthday.
We love you so much. I love you. Pagaling ka na. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hello.
Happy birthday, Nay.
Happy birthday, Nay. More birthday to come.
Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Sister Beth. Pagaling ka. Alagaan mo ang sarili mo. I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.
Sister Beth, happy birthday on your special day today, May 30. I may not be personally present for the birthday celebration, but my spirit is there rejoicing with you on this day. I wish you great things in life, good health, long life, and more blessings. I know you will surely enjoy your birthday with your family, our siblings, nieces, nephews, relatives, and friends. On behalf of my family, my 3 children, my 3 daughters, my son-in-laws, and my grandchildren, happy birthday. May you be spiritually blessed and all your heart's desire be fulfilled. God bless your beautiful family always. We love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday! More birthday to come, and get well soon. We love you.
Beth, see you. Mag-iingat, ha? Sa pagkain, pag mag-upuyat, at lahat ng instruction doktor, sundin mo. Love you. At ang Sipin family, Pintos family, love you. Bye!
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Always good health. Stay strong. Love you always. Mama. Happy birthday again.